In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the first column in Monday.com as part of our Mastering Monday series. Let's get started by logging into Monday.com. Once you're logged in, navigate to the board where you want to make changes to the first column. It's crucial to ensure you're working on the correct board, so take a moment to double check that you've selected the right one. Now let's identify the first column. You'll notice that this is typically known as the title column or item name. This column is mandatory, meaning you can't remove it, and it serves as the main identifier for each item on your board. Understanding this is important because the first column cannot be deleted. It's there to help you organize and sort information effectively. Next, we'll move on to renaming the first column. This is a simple but effective way to customize your workspace according to your needs. To do this, hover your mouse over the column header, then click on the text of the column name. Go ahead and type in the new name you desire. It could be something like project name or task title, depending on the context of your board. Once you've entered your new title, pressing enter will save the change. Remember, customizing the names of your columns can significantly improve the clarity and efficiency of your board, making it easier to track your projects or tasks. But there's more you can do to optimize your board. While the first column remains fixed as your primary identifier, you have the flexibility to reorder the other columns. This means you can drag and drop other columns to organize your board layout in a way that makes the most sense for you and your team. Doing this can be particularly useful when certain columns need to be more prominent than others depending on the project at hand. Keep in mind that only the first column stays fixed, while the others can be rearranged. This setup helps maintain a consistent primary identifier while allowing for the dynamic rearrangement of other information relevant to your workflow. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed the first column on your Monday.com board and customized its layout to suit your needs. These small adjustments are powerful tools in optimizing your workspace for better project management and team collaboration. I hope you found these instructions easy to follow and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to check out our other videos in the Mastering Monday series for more tips and